Aha! There it is! The big number 7, like they said. I wonder what's going on. First they carry in a big letter M, and then they roll by with a big number 7. Say, I was wondering...
Gotta get the letter L.
Can't talk now.
The letter L? You are looking at one puzzled bird.